Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all today's topic. So today we are going to learn in OpenOffice how to hide row, how to hide columns. Okay. After that we are going to learn how to freeze the row and the column. These are the very important topics for you people. So first of all, what is the purpose of hide? If I need to print out this data with the name only as like a name and the sign subject. Okay, I want to print the name and the sign subject, but rest of the data is also there. So that time what I will do, I cannot delete the data because this is very important. I cannot delete this. So for that purpose, I can hide these columns and I can take the printout of that. Or I don't want to show anyone the rest of the marks in other subject. I want to show only the marks of science. So for that purpose, I also can use this. Let's suppose somebody wants, yeah, my boss wants that I need the details of Arun, Aman, Karan and Kajal, not the other students. So that time I can hide these rows and I can show the details of these many students only. Okay, this is the purpose of hide row and column. Now the second purpose, to freeze the row and column. Just now you can see I can, when I'm moving my cursor, the upper section is also moving with that. If I will freeze this, so this will remain here only, means it is going to be fixed there and the rest the data will move. So here we are going to learn these topics. So first of all we are going to begin with the help of we are going to begin with the hiding the column and hiding the row. As you can see at the last I am getting the average, but I don't want to show this average. So what I will do, I will select this particular column. Or you can click over there on the G. I am clicking, and you can go in the format, column and hide. Okay, you can go format, column and show. It is going to be visible again. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. If I want to hide two columns, that time you have to select two columns, format, column, hide. Now both the columns are hidden. If you want to show it again, column, show. So like that you can do. Okay, now the next thing, if I want to hide some particular rows, as I told you, my boss wants only the details of these four candidates, Aruna, Aman, Karan and Kajal. So I can select these many rows. I can go format, rows and hide. So these rows are hidden. You can see the sequence of the numbers also, but it is the sequence of your this Excel table, not this original table. Okay, after that if you want to show them, row and show, like that you can do. Other alternate method, select the columns which you want to hide, right click and hide. Okay, and again right click and show, you can show them. But here you can see one thing, E or J. Just now I clicked on show, but it is not showing. You have to select these both the columns, right click and then show. The whatever the rest amount of data between them, now it is going to be appear. Okay, similarly if I will hide these many rows by right click, hide. If I will right click and click on show, it is not coming. So that time what you have to do, you have to select the ending row and the next row, right click and show. You will get the data between those rows. Okay, so I think this is clear to everyone. But now I am going to tell you how to freeze the column, how to freeze the row. So first of all, the row I am going to tell you. Here you can see I want to freeze this area, this which is green. Okay, so how will I do that? In MS Excel, it is easy. You have to click there, go on the home tab, go on the sales group, and you can get a format cell there, and directly you can go to the freeze row and column. Okay, but here if you want to freeze this row, then you have to come to the second row, click on Windows and freeze. Your row is freezed. Now you can see I am moving my data, but first row is freezed already. Okay, the first row is freezed. So you can see if I will move my data, so the first row is freezed. Okay, if you want to unfreeze this data, click on Windows and off this button. Now if you will move, the whole data will move. Okay, now I am going to freeze the column. Now I have to fix the first column A, so what I will do, I have to click on B, then freeze. Okay, now you can see if I will move the right to left, then the names Arun and Aman is not moving, rest the things are moving. I think this is clear to everyone. It is the today's topic, so I hope you understood the concept. I hope you will like the video, enjoy the video. Please give a thumbs up to me. Please like the video, comment and share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.